Hello, hello, hello. I'm working on a mystery here. David Bradley in the TV room here. I want to find out something here. I'm going to put in this print statement. I'm changing this print statement from 10 print quote. That's thing for a white character quote semicolon a string a dollar sign semicolon another space. And now I'm going to print J with a semicolon. Now, will this mess things up? Yeah, somewhat. David. I'm going to ask it to print it 10 times. And of course, what it's really going to do is print it 50 times, which is what it did. But now I know that J is going to be 51. It's 51. I guess it just does that. That's the way it is. So now if we type in run, we say David, we say 100. It kind of messes up what's what. But it is now keeping track, and we can see how many times it is printing. We can, and at the end, it has printed David 500 times. This reminds me of way back when I was first learning the program, and I said, "Oh, I got to put a thing in to keep count," and whatever. I said, no, you let the computer do that, and that's essentially what we've done. The computer is verifying that it is doing it the number of times that we want it to do it. It is. Remember, we are the programmer. We are in charge. Indeed, do. So there, quick program. Does things run? Let's put in David Bradley. How many times to print? 1,000. And it is now going to print my name 5,000 times. And the screen will change because, of course, it's also printing the number as well as my name. So, well, it's now looking all like, ooh, isn't this cool and funky? Actually, that's pretty much how it's probably going to look all the way through. Oh, no. It's going to change because it's going to get to 1,000. And then strange things are going to happen. We're almost there. It's going to look different. Aha, look at that. Now it's just going straight down, and that's pretty much how it's going to end up. So remember, we are the programmers. We are in charge. I'm not sure what else I'm going to do with this, but I do want to run some diagnostics on this machine. So stay tuned for more of that. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.